Hello once again, guys. This is Ryan from the Investing Simple YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about how you can potentially make money with the commission-free trading app known as Robinhood. So unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard of Robinhood or other commission-free trading apps out there. And the way that you make money with Robinhood is the same way you would make money with any other brokerage out there. But the big difference is with these commission-free brokerages, it's a lot easier to make money than it was many years ago when you had to pay commissions to your broker. So in the past, it was common to pay anywhere from $7 to $10 per trade as a commission to your broker. And so when you were trying to make money, the very first thing you would have to do is offset your trading costs. But now that you can trade commission-free and not pay any fees to your brokerage, it's way easier to make money, especially with smaller accounts. And if you don't already have an account with Robinhood, if you use our link down below and you open up an account with them, you're going to get one completely free stock worth anywhere from $2.50 up to $200 just for opening up that account. So if you want to take advantage of that offer, there is a link down below. But that being said, there's essentially two different ways that you could make money as a Robinhood investor. The first way is the most common one, and that is known as asset appreciation or capital appreciation. And what I mean by that is this is where you are buying a stock or an ETF or maybe even cryptocurrency or options. The idea here is to buy something for a smaller amount of money and sell it for a larger amount of money at some point in the future. So the easiest example here is talking about stocks. Let's say you went out there and you bought a share of Coca-Cola, and let's say it cost you $40 for that share. Maybe a year later, Coca-Cola stock is trading for $45 per share. So if you sold that share of Coca-Cola, you would have made $5 profit because you sold it for $45, but you only paid $40 for that share. So that is called asset appreciation, and stocks tend to go up in value over time if you pick the right ones. Certainly some stocks and funds will go down in value just based on market conditions, but they tend to go up over time, especially if you're investing in index funds, which are well diversified. So the second way to make money with Robinhood is by investing in stocks or index funds that pay dividends. And if you're not familiar, a dividend is a cash payment to a shareholder who owns a certain stock. Now, not all stocks out there pay dividends. It's usually the more well-established companies. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, for example, or Apple, or 3M. These are massive companies that have been around for a very long time. And so what they do in order to keep shareholders around is pay out these dividend payments, often on a quarterly basis. So another way to make money through Robinhood investing is to purchase these dividend-paying stocks, and then you can take those dividends that you earn and you can either reinvest them into more shares of stocks, or if you want, you can take that money and do something else with it if you want to go buy yourself a cup of coffee or whatever you decide. And another great feature offered by Robinhood is the fractional shares, which means that as you earn dividends, you can automatically reinvest them back into the stock that paid that dividend using those fractional shares. So there you have it, guys. Those are the two ways that you can make money as a Robinhood investor, through asset appreciation and through dividends. And of course, you can buy stocks that have potential for both means of making money. And that would be a company that has both the growth potential as well as the potential for income through dividends. And in my opinion, a perfect example of that is Apple, because the share price keeps on going up and they pay dividends. So there you have it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you subscribe and drop a like as well. And if you're looking for more information on how to make money with Robinhood, we have a full article over on the Investing Simple blog. The easiest way to find that is just to Google how to make money with Robinhood and click on the link for Investing Simple. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.